Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the mid-market update. Today, when the market opened, it was almost flattish to on the positive tone. It once upon a time and also went up by 70 points on the Sensex. We were all eagerly actually waiting for the White House announcement whether the federal government are going to go for a shutdown or they're going to extend the lifeline for the kind of government buying. Now this happened is that there was a fight between the Republican and the Democrats on the Obama healthcare plan. Now Republicans are urging the Democrats to kind of shelve the healthcare plan because that would kind of increase the deficit and create more spending that would actually dent the finances of the US government. Now on the other hand, the Democrats have not given up and they have decided and urged the White House to declare that the US has now finally gone for shutdown. Now what this means is that all the federal government employees will not go to work from tomorrow morning. That means all the post offices and the government offices as well all over United States would definitely be shut till the next announcement's date. Now this means is also like the Fed tapering program, which was a kind of a big issue for the emerging markets, definitely will go on the back burner. This is again a good news for the emerging markets, especially like Brazil, India and Russia. The flows will continue to flow into the emerging markets, that is the riskier assets. Right now as I'm talking to you, Sensex is up by almost 90 points. It went down by almost 100 points when the announcement happened from the White House that the US is insisting that it should go for a shutdown. This has happened after a gap of almost say about 17 to 18 years. So again, the stocks which are actually into the focus are the banking as well as the auto group. The sales data had come out today. Maruti reported a 20% rise on sales on a month-on-month, and the stock is up by almost 3.5%. TVS Motors reported a sales of almost 27% month-on-month rise. Its two-wheelers were almost up by 30%. The stock is up by 7.5% right now. So all in all, it was one of the best month for the auto sales. Across the board, even the M&M Tata Motors data, the auto data was kind of very good and encouraging. On the other hand, the bankings have kind of recovered. We are seeing some short covering happening in those banking stocks like Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and also State Bank of India, which were up anywhere between 1.5% to 3.5% today. Even the small caps and mid caps bank are seeing some respite and they are up by almost 3 to 4% on an intraday basis. Friends, other rate sensitives like metals and real estate are also doing good, anywhere up by 2 to 4% today. All in all, it has been a good day. Yesterday the CAD figures were out. It was in line with the estimates. 4.9% of the GDP was the CAD figure. $21.87 billion was the total kind of amount, which was less than the estimates of $23 billion. So, and also our core sector growth was at 7-month high. Overall, it was a kind of a very encouraging figure, data coming in from the government side yesterday. That is showing in today's market that even the government, US government shutdown won't affect the emerging market like India. Friends, on the Forex update, rupee has strengthened to 62.35 versus the dollar. After the shutdown happens, the dollar will weaken temporarily against all other major currencies. This is what's showing in the rupee as well. That's all the news and updates we have. We'll get back to you more with the post market. Thanks.